Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.